Two bodies of mass 10 kg and 20 kg respectively, kept on a smooth horizontal surface, are tied to the ends of a light string. This is the diagram, and this is the string which it is tied. A horizontal force of 600 newtons is applied to A. That is, a horizontal force is applied to A along the direction of the string. What is the tension in the string in each case? Let's consider A and B in a single system. So the total mass would be 30 kgs. Therefore, we can find the acceleration by applying the formula as force is equals to mass into acceleration. We get that as a 20 meter per second square. When the force is applied to block A using Newton's law of motion, we can find that force minus the tension on the string is equals to mass of A into acceleration. Therefore, we get the force as 600 Newton as given in the question, minus the tension is equals to mass of A into acceleration of the whole system. Therefore, the tension comes as 400 Newtons. Now the same horizontal force, that is 600 Newtons, is applied on B along the direction of the string. So what will be the tension in the string? As we have previously found out that the acceleration of the whole system is 20 meter per second, by using the Newton's law of motion, we can write the same formula, that is force minus tension on the string is equals to mass of B into acceleration. So putting the values, we get the tension as 200 Newtons.